name is Rajiv Gupta and I'm here to introduce my company eView Global Private Limited. We are into energy saving products like daylight harvesting and smart lighting solutions. In the last 3 years, we have introduced 2 products for which we have applied for patent, Bill and Tor. This is the most advanced daylighting system worldwide and we have applied for a patent worldwide. And then we have also applied for a patent for a product called Combo, which is daylight harvesting with air circulations. It basically brings the daylight from the rooftop. We have a unit which is placed on the rooftop which works like a convex lens and it concentrates the light and brings it down into the shed. In this process, we block about 70% of the UV and IR, which is the main constituent of heat. So the unwanted elements of natural light is blocked outside and only pure white light without heat comes inside. We also have a reflective tube which is 95% plus, which reflects the light down, and then at the end we have a diffuser which is made of Fresnel lenses or prismatic lenses. These lenses diffuse the light evenly into the shed. So during daytime you do not have to switch on the artificial light and you can work with daylight. But when you actually look at these units from inside the shed, it looks like any other artificial light or LED light. But only point is that here you do not get heat. We have done projects for customers like Hindustan Lever, Tata Motors, Bajaj, Pidilite, Solarwinds, Bosch, Ordnance Factories, Railways, Indian Oil, ONGC, IOCL and many more companies. We have been associated with CIA for the last 6 years and the results so far with association of CII has been very good and this platform has been very helpful to us. So far the expo till last year had been very good. Unfortunately for some reasons this year the footfall is not so good, but at least the quality of customers who are coming in are very good. So that is still a reprieve that though the footfall is not so good, but the quality of customer is still maintained and we are able to do some business even this year.